Hello friends, today we are going to know about a new module and that is Marketplace Event Manager for Magento. Now this is an add-on for Webkul Magento Marketplace. By the help of this particular add-on, seller can create event ticket for movie, seminar or theater or any other event with the event venue and the event terms and condition. The seller as well as the admin can create event tickets from their respective panel, and the customer can come and they can check the tickets or the events and then they can book the show. So coming to the installation, for the installation of this module you have to move app, media and skin, these three folders into Magento directory, and then you're done with the installation. For the clear information about the installation, please refer to the user guide. Now coming to the admin configuration. Now this is my admin end. Just go to system configuration. Then you will be getting this marketplace event ticket system menu. Just click on this menu and then you can set the settings. So from here you can just enter the category IDs in which the seller can add their events. So for the event image you can enter the file type separated by comma, and only the seller will be allowed to upload those kind of images only. You can set the upcoming date from and to. You can enable term and condition and it will be displayed on the product page, and you can set a global prefix, like it will be displayed on the ticket QR code. So after doing this setting you can just save the configuration. Now let's move to the seller panel. Now this is my seller panel. So after the proper installation, you will be getting two menus, and that is add event ticket and my event list. For adding a new event ticket, you have to click here. So this is the event adding page. You have to select the attribute set. I will select default, and then you have to select the category, and then you can just write any event which you want to create. For example, I'm creating singing event and I'm pasting it. And you can enter your terms and condition over here. You can enable or disable from here, and here you have to enter your event venue. So I will enter my event venue. You can enter the unique code. You can set the price. You can select the visibility. You can select the tags class, and you can set event prefix code as well. Now you can select the start time from here. And the stop time. And then from here you can add event images. And then you can just add event type ticket, like for example gold, the price for the gold, quantity, so we have already added an image. So after that we just have to save this event. Now the event has been successfully saved. So after saving the event, you can go to my event list, And here you can see the events added by this particular seller. So this was the event. You can see the type, and this is the terms and condition. So now let's move to the customer panel and let's see how a customer can book event ticket from the customer end. Now this is my customer panel. So in the account menu, you will be seeing upcoming events, and this menu is added by this particular module. So when you will click here, then all the events will be listed which are upcoming. So we have added the seminar event right now and the singing event. So we can book this singing event. So I will select the goal type. I will enable the terms and condition, and I will enter the quantity, and then I will add this particular event into the cart. Now you can see this particular event has been added into the cart. So I will proceed to the checkout. I will select my billing address and then I will click on continue. I will select the payment information and then I will review the order. You can see the product name, price, quantity, subtotal, grand total, and then you can just place order. Now you can see this order has been placed. Now you can go to my account and you can see my tickets. So now that ticket has not been displayed here because the invoice has not been generated for that particular order. So let's move to the seller panel again. Now this is my seller panel. So I will go to my order history. You can see singing event. It is in pending state. So we will just have to complete the order status. You can see the name, email, billing address, payment method. So I will just click on invoice to create the invoice. And now the order has been completed and now it will be displayed on the customer end as well. And again, you can go to my event list, and if by chance or due to any fault you have to change the venue or you have to convey a message, then you can also do that. So this is a send reminder. You have to just click here for this particular event, and then you can just select the buyer who has particularly bought your event. Then you can enter your subject and then you can add your address, or you can send reminder like please come to the event at this time, or you can just convey your message. So this is all about the seller end. Now let's move to the buyer end. Now this is my buyer end. I will go to my tickets now, and now you can see the singing event as well. You can click here to see the ticket details. So this is the QR code, this is the ticket code, this is the quantity, this is the order ID, this is the event venue, and this is the start and end time. So this is all about the customer end. Now let's move to the admin panel. Now this is my admin panel. The admin can also add the ticket just like the product only. He can just click on add product. Then from the product type he has to select e-tickets. That's all, and then he has to continue. Then he have to enter the details. Have to and then you have to enter your event terms, your venue. You have to enable the date. Then you have to enter the price and the tax class. Now you can enter the option. So like this, you can add event tickets from the admin end. If you have any doubt regarding this module, then you can just raise a ticket at support@webkul.com. Thank you.